Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a beef stroganoff. Now, unfortunately, my camera was kind of being a jerk, and, didn't record certain steps, so I'm going to kind of have to talk you through this. All right, as you can see here, I have a 2-pound beef chuck roast that I carved up into, about 1-inch pieces, and I'm browning that in about 4 tablespoons of butter. And just kind of gonna quick sear this off. Put the top on. Okay, as you can see here, our beef chunks are about halfway done par cooking. And I added the white parts of a bunch of green onions. Do not throw the green parts away. We're going to need them later. Then, once this is pretty much done, you want to add a half a cup of red wine and then a third of a cup of sour cream to this. Like I said, I apologize. Camera was being a jerk. And then you also want to add a teaspoon of prepared mustard as well. Now, this is optional. I didn't do it because I don't like mushrooms. But you take a 6-ounce can of mushrooms, drain them, and add them in probably about 2 minutes after this point. All right, let's move on to the next step. And now, as you can see, I've added 4 tablespoons of flour to this. Then I'm going to add one 10.5-ounce can of condensed beef broth. Just get Campbell's. They sell it in any grocery store. All right, then after you get done mixing the flour in, you want to kill the heat to low to medium-low. And basically, you want to simmer this for about 1 hour. At some point during that hour, make sure you cook your egg noodles. We're looking for something a little bit like this. That's the kind of simmering action you should be going for. All right, see everyone in a little bit. When your stroganoff starts looking like this, be a good time to get the noodles in the boiling water. You got about 10 minutes left when it's reaching this point. All right, we're just about ready to serve this up. As you can see here, I've got a bunch of noodles. I did add just a bit of butter to the noodles just so they don't all stick together. And then we're just going to top this with some of our stroganoff, or some of the meat mix, excuse me. And then this is optional, but that green part of the onions I mentioned, this is where you use them. Little topper. So, that's beef stroganoff. Done.